Hello everyone, this video introduces the to_int function in the field calculator. The to_int function is used to convert a string into an integer. If a value cannot be converted to an integer, it returns nothing. To create a new field named result, open the field calculator. Select result as the field name. In the result equals box, enter the expression to_int string, or double-click this function and then double-click to add the string field. Finally, click apply. The result field will then display the converted integer value. That concludes the introduction to the to_int function. Thank you for watching.